Okay, everybody, this is the Quizlet site I talked about. You can create your own note card sets with vocabulary by clicking the Create button. You need to give your set a title. And to add words, you just enter the term here. And Quizlet offers you definitions, or you can create your own definition based on the reason you decided to add this word. I recommend the second option because that is what is stuck in your memory. For speed or expedited purposes, I'm just going to choose one of these. And to start a study set, you need to have at least 2 terms. So I will just click these. Once you have your words, you can add more cards. I recommend 5 a week. You can share it or add it to a class folder if you like, or just continue to add to the set. Once you have your study set, you can then begin testing yourself on those study sets. Click your set, click the word test, and go to options to change the settings. Usually these are all checked. I recommend just doing multiple choice. Make sure you have the exact amount of questions you want, 2 out of 2 or 10 out of 10 or 10 out of 102 out of 102, whatever that is. You'll probably want to answer with the definition and use the term. Create new test. Take your test and it will tell you what you got right and wrong and the percentage. You can go back to Quizlet and study other sets, or if you want to search for other sets from around the world, you can do that as well. You can pay for them, or there are free ones obviously as well. For instance, these. Okay, that's it for now. Once you have your test, you can post it on the Google Classroom, or you can simply just take the test. Alrighty, good luck, and we'll see you next week.